Rasheed Broadbell, Jamaica's top sprint hurdler and Olympic bronze medalist, will apply for a medical exemption after being forced to withdraw from the men's 110-meter hurdles final at the national championships due to injury. The news, confirmed on a radio morning sports report, sets the stage for a tense selection decision ahead of the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo this September. Broadbell, who suffered a cut during warm-up after hitting a hurdle, did not start the final. However, his top 2 world ranking makes him eligible under the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association policy, which allows top 3 world-ranked athletes to be considered for selection if they can prove fitness before the final team submission. Meanwhile, Tyler Mason, who placed 3rd in the final with a time of 13.22 seconds, met the World Athletics qualifying standard of 13.27 seconds and was poised to make his first senior global team. But Broadbell's exemption bid could change everything. According to JAAA rules, if a medical exemption is granted, the athlete may be selected in place of the 3rd place finisher, meaning Mason's spot is now in jeopardy. "It's a cruel twist," said one coach. "Tyler did everything right. He showed up, ran the time, and earned his place. But the rules favor medal potential, and Broadbell has proven that on the world stage." Broadbell's camp has not yet confirmed when or where he will attempt to prove fitness, but the clock is ticking. The final team must be submitted in the coming weeks. For now, Mason continues to train, hoping that his performance and persistence will be enough to keep him on the plane.